Okay, so here's a quick look at a Montpellier washing machine. This one is the MW8014S, so it's actually a max 8 kilo load and pretty standard. You can see the icons. You've got your standard detergent drawer, your pre-wash and any sort of conditioner in the middle, and you've got your cycles. Basically all the cotton are full 8 kilos, but then like a wool is 2.5 kilos, Easy Care is 4 I think, and then generally these, but your rinse handles the full 8, Eco 20 only handles 4, same with the Daily 60 I believe, and your mix is 4 as well. Okay, Sport I think 4 also, so it's only half the weight, just remember that. Okay, well, look at the sticker, you've got 1400 RPM, it's got up to 12 hours delay. Inside it's pretty standard. And then over here, if you come to operation, just turn the dial and you'll see the power come on. You can just delay it through the 12 hours. You can turn the spin off down here by pressing the spin button. Easy iron, pre-wash and start. So nice, easy function. Old school washing machines work really well. There you go. That was a look at the Montpellier washing machine. Check out the channel for more. See you.